Hi there. Okay, it's working. Seems like it does. So, one more time, keeping up with the same project. Another day, and I think it's been a long time since the last one, maybe more than a month. Okay, I've been busy with other stuff, but don't forget my projects. So keeping with the Neon City update and also new blueprints for premium buildings with Neon City. So that's the asset. And I had to say that I've released another asset that's Neon Portraits, and that's kind of a bit of a spam. It's just a collection of character portraits. You can see here some of them for Unity. I mean, it's not for Unity because you can use it in any way. They're just a bunch of images. Um, and yes, they are AI generated. Yes, I've seen a lot of shitty comments about that, um, but I don't care. There's no way anyone can ask for so few money and give you a lot of content. There's no way. So I think AI is a way so you can get a lot of material for a small price. 700 portraits. It's a lot. I won't ever do this by hand and ask $20 or $10, which is launch sale for all this work. I know some people are angry with the existence of the artificial intelligence, but if you're one of them, keep it for yourself. We're not interested in that. Okay. If you don't like it, don't buy it. If you like it, buy it. I think it's a great material. It takes a lot of time to create that amount of images, and then they have to be fixed, upgraded, and you have to work on them on Photoshop. Um, for AI, it's not, it's not perfect at all. And so that's it. And come back to our actual project. Here is it. This is the foundation for a new building. And here is the last one, which I think it looks pretty cool. Kind of a brutalist style, which actually fits very good with the cyberpunk style that is used in Neon City. And all these buildings uh, have really few decoration elements because this is not the purpose. The purpose is to give you a lot of pre-made building, not to populate them with decoration. And why that decision? This has a very simple response, and it's because if I give you the environment already decorated, you know, it's gonna be really easy to notice this is a pre-made. It's gonna be really, really easy because all the stuff will stay in the same place. I don't know, maybe I will make a decorated version of the buildings, uh, but at first they are meant to be empty, at least mostly empty. You can see this one has a bit of decoration, but this is the most I'm thinking, at least for the first version. You can see this is not very much populated with decoration. But as said, that could be implemented in some update, but not in the actual version I'm working on. This is for you to populate them with decoration. I'm using a little bit. You can see here there are some elements. Okay, there's mosquitoes here. Damn. And I'm also working on making pre-made rooms, which I think it will help a lot for those who don't want to spend much time on building their custom um, their custom buildings. You know, like this one, you can just pick a bit of a room and drop it. What I'm doing now is to add the reflection probes and to fit all the elements into. Okay, no, to the correct parents, but it's not very well done. It should be done better because this is not at 0. Much better. Okay, as you can see, I've already started with this new building, and at this point I have no idea what it's going to be. In fact, this one I've already done. I have a clear idea of what it is. Um, it lacks the logo and some decoration elements that will probably be added in a while. But this building is meant to be a police office. Oh, what is the actual word? Comisaría. Police station. That's it. That is meant to be a police station. But this one, I don't know what it is. Not yet. What I know is that it needs reflection probes. And I also know that I don't know what the heck is this. Where is this? Okay, I've said the height to 3 because it's the height of a floor, but between every floor there's 0.5 spacing. And what is happening here? It's not in the center. At first, I think there should be no problem for the reflection probe to be inside this pillar because it should render perfectly, even being inside. Let's gonna check it out. Well, anything in this building is static, so it doesn't work perfectly. Okay, all these elements should be static because they are buildings, and why won't they should be static? There is no reason all these prefabs shouldn't be static. All of this should be static. What I'm selecting are the modules that I've already created. Level floor, but I think there should be more rooms than this. Maybe not. Maybe it's the first time that I'm creating rooms. Okay, I've made 2 buildings without pre-made rooms, but this one is the first, and this one is the second one. And I think pre-made rooms are very, very useful. Build. No, I don't need this one. I need a reflection probe, and I need it in the center. Okay. And another thing I need is all this to be static. And another thing I need is a little bit of music. Because I'm getting bored here. So this one should be smaller. Well, I think it works. Just gonna check it out, this one. Okay, the pillar is not a problem. So that's nice. We have some pieces of underground rooms. Since we've decided that this building isn't gonna have more underground, it's time to feed the rest of the floor. With planes. And we're gonna use these horizontal elements 10 by 10. This is for this one. always using a snap grid or grid snap, whatever you say. And this is a 5i10. Just pressing Control key, you can move the things using the grid, so they will fit correctly. That doesn't mean the material is correct one. Okay, but at this point we don't care about the material. We're going to start with the first floor, and then we will go back to the underground to fix anything that is not correct. In fact, these pieces are not from the underground. Shouldn't be. Well, they should be from the underground, but they are the floor of the first floor. They should remain in the underground. Why? Because we're gonna see it from this level. So going back to ground floor, I'm gonna add some walls and floor. I think the floors should be first. Where is it? Where is it? It is in the building interior, floor, and floor basic. This folder, all these elements are new and will gonna be included in the next Neon City update. What's the difference? You might think, what's the difference between floor panels and floor basic? And I had to say, good question, and it has a good answer. And the answer is, we're gonna check it out. This is the floor 5x5 using all floor panels, but with floor basic we're gonna use the same 5x5. You're gonna see the difference. That is the difference. The difference is that this is really basic. It doesn't have this extruded plate, this decorative element in the intersection, and also is not beveled. So it's just at the same level of the rest of the roof, of the ceiling, or whatever. You can see, if you look closer, that this has a little bit of a bevel, and this one does not. That's the main difference. And for some reasons, this is a good thing. Well, no, but I wanted to make these stairs here, so no, nope. But those pillars aren't supporting anything. We have to fix that. Well, I think this is not really, that's really good. Let's say 0.5, 2.5, that could do the job. It's really small. Scale it a little bit so it fits. Maybe I don't need that because I have this one. Okay, too big. That's right. And we have a place for the stairs. And I don't like this music. Change it for another one. So keeping with the floor, with the new floor basic, we have another thing that we hadn't before, and it's a 10 by 10 piece, which is pretty useful because it's bigger. You can see how easy it is to fill all this place with 10 by 10. And here is it, the underground section of the building. It's done. And maybe, like, this material is the same as the street, we don't notice where the building starts. So I think changing it is a good idea, even when we don't know what is going to be the final lookup of the building. Because I'm working on the fly, I don't know what this building is. We'll see it. Gonna see tiles. Well, this one might work. So, okay, now we can see what a building is taking all this place. Just the underground is not the same as the first floor. It might be a little bit misleading but we're going to add walls. So we'll no longer have this problem. Alright, we also have different walls. In the actual version that is available in the asset store, I think there are only this and this one, and in the update I want to include many different. Mostly they are just variants of the original one. But sometimes, like here, these are new, unique. Why did I add new pillars? That's another good question, because there were already pillars. You can see it there. There's a pillar here. Why you need another one? There's a pillar. No, that's a corner. That's not a pillar. Well, we need new pillars. And why? Because this one is only 2 materials and only 1 mesh. And this one, you can see it has a lot of meshes and a lot of materials. And why is this? Because it's made from more basic prefabs, and that makes it quite ready to customize, but not as good on performance and usability as the new one. So I recommend to use the new asset as long as you can, as long as they fit your requirements. Anyway, keeping with the work. It's gonna use what kind of exterior building are we gonna create here? Okay, you're gonna use the brick plaster with both styles, wall basic and wall panels. As you can see, they're different. This is the basic style and this is the wall panel style. They are very different, but they share same materials, so they can be used together. I think we should start with the entrance. Maybe it could be a big entrance right here. And another one in the opposite wall. But this is the interior side, so we're gonna flip. That's right. So this one is the entrance that comes from this kind of square here, and this one is from the street, and I think that's pretty good. Maybe this could be commercials or something, a shopping center, maybe. And what if, just asking, what if I want the corner to be round? Looks like I have a problem with the floor. And I actually had a problem with the floor, but that's a problem I can fix. Let's gonna fix it. I have a 10 by 10, so I'm gonna start with a 10 by 5. That doesn't exist. Okay, 2 5 by 5. They're gonna be the solution. Okay. Next step. Okay, I have to include what's going to be the corner, and I had to use floor panel for this because that's a trick, because I don't have this tiny negative space in an asset, but I have one that is built up from the others. So this tiny bevel that this piece has is going to help me to make it fit in a way that I can change the interior texture and make it different from the exterior one. How is this gonna work? Okay, I had to, this is a 10 and this is 2.5 and 2.5, which is 5, so I need a 5 by 2.5. That's what I need right here. Correct. Perfect. Okay. And I can close this piece with 2 horizontal 2.5 by 2.5, like this. Why 2? Because we have the floor, but we also have the ceiling. Here is it. And the same thing for the opposite corner. Like this. So we have this workaround. It would be great to have this piece, but we don't have it yet, and this is a way we can work around this problem. Very easy. Would be great to have the correct material. So we can check out the results. No, this is not the correct material for this square. This is. So maybe it can be. It's just this one is very easy to spot detailing, but maybe it's so easy because this square is empty. So maybe it won't be that effect in the future. What's left here is two of this. Just make the material same as the other. Well, tiling is different for different pieces. But it's not very relevant since they are actually different. You won't expect them to look the same. Like this. Okay, what if, just what if we made this? Okay, no, I'm failing in a simple point. Is that that's what I want to do. You know, since this is gonna be kind of a passage through the building, could have a different floor material. What? No, that's not what I wanted. Well, that's better. That's quite better. I don't really like that much this. I don't know. Anyway, we lack here this wall. But actually, why are these walls in the underground? This is a mistake I made. Should be here. Okay, that's right. Perfect fitting. And we have the corner of the building. Passage. Okay, that looks good. I think this could be a mall. How would it be if that is a mall? It's a good question. A question we have to solve. If I want this building to make sense. That is good for exterior, but not so good for interior. We should see through this window. Okay, so my idea is that it's going to be some different commerces here in this side. There should be an exit in this place, maybe a smaller one. This. Yeah, but that's not the style of a mall. Not having small gates. The problem if I mix two different sets of prefabs is that materials are not going to fit. So I should use the same, and the problem is that this one doesn't have interior crystal. It just doesn't. But good thing is I can create one. You see, it wasn't that complicated. I don't know if I like this. Maybe that's better. Oh, too dark. You can see through it, but it's too dark. Maybe this one. Maybe that could be a solution. Okay, it's gonna select. should have removed this variant thing. That's a bit of confusing. It's just Unity wants to warn you, but I think it's not very relevant since the icon is actually different from an original prefab. So you know, just watching the icon, that this is not an original. Don't need more advertising about Windows 00. One more time. Okay. Next thing, we also need exterior walls, exterior windows. And seems that we also need a pillar. And just close. Where is the pillar? Okay. So there could be the stores. Actually, this rusted style is not the best for the idea. But I don't know, it could fit anyway. No, not pretty sure a mall will have this material. Looks very rusted and dirty. Maybe we should change it a little bit. No, something a little bit cleaner. No, this was good. This one was okay. Okay, that looks way cleaner, much better for a place where you're going to buy things. In fact, I'm not convinced by this one because something I liked will look good on it. Like this. What? Why does... Why it doesn't fit? What's happening here? What is happening here? Why it doesn't fit? Okay, what is this? Does fit now. Why? Why? Just why? I think this piece wasn't used before. That's why I didn't notice the issue. Okay, so fixed. Anyway, this time you're not going to be a rusted fence or whatever this is gonna become crystal. but we're going also to change the material. Hmm. It kinda looks, this passage is a bit small. What? 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 What is 0.8? Like this. That is the perfect number. And it fits. Better now, much better. Still, I don't think this yellow is good. Too much calling. did forget one thing. There's no space for this wall. Should be a wall. Ah, okay, fix it. No problem. Now, there's a space now. Well, in fact, the floor for this mall is terrible. I don't feel like what I think it is. It should be. I think it needs different material. Okay, I think marble is always a good choice for a place like this. can't be. Need more space. Have to find another solution. It looks good at first. No, that won't work because if the entrance is here, how are we going to display anything if people ask to pass through it? It won't work. not the same thing. Because exterior has bricks, interior does not have bricks. So it fits. And what can we do with this space in the middle? Not convincing. Not bad, but also not good. Well, I think this might be the solution. don't actually have the um, perfect fence for this place, so I think I had to be creative. If it fits, it fits. not convincing. Okay. So I think the first floor is mostly made. Could be better, but I think it's good. It's actually quite good. It just need more decoration elements that brings it to life. Like, I don't know, this could be some kind of store, electronic store, and this could be, I don't know, coffee shop or something. Could be some tables over here, and here the stairs downstairs, and should be another upstairs. It's gonna take a quick sight with the character. There's some limitation to look up. Why I don't like limitations? Why you don't allow me to watch high? Oh, we can see the new building from here. Here it is, being built. Well, I think it makes sense. It's good space. And I think we can't go up now. But there's no light in the underground. Okay, I'm stuck here. Well, I think one floor is enough for today. And I'm gonna end this stream right here, and I'll be back with more content very soon. So, see ya until next time.